Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Class 8th, subject Geography, topic Resources. Resources. All the useful elements of environment which satisfy human needs are called resources. Resources are called gifts of nature such as soil, rivers, plants, animals, rocks, minerals, etc. Then types of resources. Resources are generally classified into three types. Number one is natural resources, second is human resources, third is man-made resources. Natural resources. The gifts of nature such as land, rivers, minerals, plants, animals, etc. They are used by all living things. Then classification of natural resources. Natural resources are classified in many ways. They may be categorized on the basis of the source of their origin. Accordingly, there are land, soil, water, plant, animals. Another method of classification is according to the stage of development of resources, that is potential resources. Number one, potential resources. Those resources which are found in the region but have not been put to a proper use are called potential resources. Then actual resources. The resources which have been surveyed and quantified for actual use are called actual resources. Then reserve resources. That portion of the actual resource which can be developed profitably with available technology is termed as a reserve resource. The natural resources are classified on the basis of renewability also. Number one is renewable resources. Resources which get renewed or replenished fast are called renewable resources. Some of these resources are always available like solar and wind energy. Then non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources have been built up over a very long geological time. Minerals and fossil fuels are the examples of such resources, since their rate of formation is extremely slow. Human resources. It refers to the ability of humans to use the natural resources usefully. The utility of a resource depends upon human skill, stage of human development, and technology. Then man-made resources. These are the techniques of production which have been created by people to utilize the physical materials of the environment. Thus, machines, tools are the examples of such resources.